welcome back to my channel. Thank you for visiting me today. I am going to make pan de coco. It's a Filipino bread, sweet bread with coconut filling, and I think you will definitely love this. I have some very special guests who are going to help me bake the pan de coco. My two munchkins, my girls, Miss B and Miss E. So, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get baking. So guys, these beautiful ladies are going to help me bake. So the first thing we're going to do is warm our milk and then add the yeast for it to sort of start developing and rise a little bit with the milk. So I'm going to put this in the microwave. So we're going to add our yeast into the milk. Alright,
91. It's 91.0.
Yay. Alright, we're going to put this on the side. Put this on the back here.
Are we doing
Just want it to mix the ingredients together. And then we're going to add our yeast and milk. Stop that. So the yeast is ready. We have left it to rise or activate for about 15 minutes. So we're going to add it into our mixture. Okay, pour it in. To start with slow setting and then gradually go up. So let's see.
Oh, I want to shape mine. First, we're going to sprinkle the table with flour so it doesn't stick to the table.
Yeah, and then you need to dust your hands.
Dust my hands.
Doesn't like.
And
It's a bit sticky at the moment, guys, but we're gonna continuously add a bit more flour. Want to shape your own?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can have that side.
Yes.
You can have that side. Maybe give her a bit more from you. There you go. I'm going to show you how to knead it, guys, by hand. Wait. So you're going to go like this, yeah, and then you push down gently, and then you pull it towards you, and you push it down with the back of your hand. Yeah, and then you can just do one hand as well, and then you guide it. You have to push so much. You might want to knead this for like 5 minutes or something.
Yay.
And you want the dough to be smooth. It's quite nice, isn't it? It's
Oh my god, my top is
It's part of it.
so floury. Is it like this?
Yeah.
There you go.
So Eliza, you go like this. You pull it with the tip of your fingers, and then you push it down with your what is this part called?
I don't know.
not
Palm.
the palm, like
Yeah.
the bottom of your palm.
The bottom is so you pull it with your fingers, and then you push with your palm. That's it.
Oh.
And then you can use your left hand to kind of push it like that,
Why are you making it into a circle?
and then
Oh,
to
this is
guide
so cool.
you. Also,
Guide you to life.
Okay, you want a circle like this. Look.
Mama's
Butter to grease your bowl because you don't want it to stick on the bowl while you leave it to rise. You might want to let it rise for about 45 minutes to an hour, or until your dough has doubled the size. So let's put our dough in here. Yours? There you go.
mine's over here.
So, and then I'm going to put this in an oven that is turned off.
Off oven, remember?
Off.
On oven, it's
Off.
While we wait for our dough to rise or double, we're going to make our filling. Grated coconut here, and then we're going to add our milk. Now I'm going to add some vanilla. Thank you. So you basically just add all of the ingredients for your fillings, and then just reduce it down until it's nice and smooth. Okay. So we reduced our filling, our coconut filling, and it's looking good. It looks like more of a paste now, but you don't want it too dry. You want it dry enough so it doesn't soak the bun. So kind of like a paste texture. That's the consistency you want for your coconut filling. So we're going to put this on the side. Leave it to cool down until your buns are ready for the filling to go in, and then into the oven.
Just fall on the floor.
Oh. And we have our baking tray here with some baking paper so it doesn't stick. We are going to heat our oven for
Mama.
so I'll show you. I'm gonna like grab
Demonstrate.
some, roll it. I'm gonna make mine quite big.
I'm gonna make mine quite small.
Okay.
Make mine
Not
into
too
balls.
small.
I guess
So
a bit bigger.
2, 1. 7, 8. Got 8.
I got 4. You got the double size.
I've got 4.
I got
Right. Right. So what we're going to do, make sure that you have your circles. You can do it on the...
Oh, mine's 2.
Mine's 2.
Too much flour on yours. And then you're going to flatten it.
Flatten it.
You're going to make flat discs. Yeah. And then get some of your fillings.
Are you making? Is it like a dumpling?
Dumpling?
Kind of is like a dumpling.
It kind of is yeah, kind of.
Kind of like a dumpling. So you kind of want to spread it a little bit there. Put it together like this.
Like what? Like what? So like side to side.
Yeah, and then you pinch it.
Side to side. Side to side. Oh no, oh no. You're going, bro.
Yep.
Oh no, I added too much.
You put too much. No. So now we've done all of our buns. We're going
Bunny
to
bun
put
bun.
them in our tray.
Don't squash it. Don't squash my little
So,
baby.
mine will be there.
Okay, mine is on this side.
You have to leave it some
Mine will
space
be in the
because
middle.
You can put yours.
it will grow.
Oh my god, it's literally.
Something very important you need to remember. That's right, Liza. So wherever you folded, you need to put that flat into the tray. So when it's cooking, it doesn't open. And then we're going to let this rise. That's fine now. Let this rise. We don't need it yet because we need to let this rice for about 15 to 20 minutes maybe, or until it rises a little bit. So let's go and we'll just leave it here to rice the second time.
Second.
Yeah. I think our bread has double the size. Yay! So we'll move that a little bit. So I'm just gonna, so you know who's who. Just broke a little bit.
Mine's on the side. As is like.
And yours is like this. And
yours
mine is,
That's
I'll do an X. Yeah, X.
Arcs.
the spots.
You can't really tell mine, so can you do like one here next
I'll
to
do
it? Two.
like this.
A
Like
triangle.
Oh right, yeah.
Okay.
Mine
you
is
know.
doing.
So mine is an X.
X marks the spot.
I'll leave some without an X and see what will be the difference.
Now you can go now. Rise and shine. Cross that one out. Hey, you're so annoying. You did mine.
Yeah, you did mine.
No, I didn't.
So we have put an egg wash on our buns. We are going to put it in the oven and bake it for about, until golden brown, so about 15 to 20 minutes.
You're right.
Our buns are ready! Woo! Okay. Smells so good. I think let's play another game of Snap while waiting for this to cool down.
It's a fun story.
Be careful, that's going to be very hot. So we've left it to cool down now, and let's give it a try.
Oh my god! Can I choose? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna.
It's so nice and moist inside.
Mmm.
Oh,
My god.
mmm.
Look.
Okay. Oh, good.
So good.
Oh my god.
Mmm.
You cannot believe how good this is.
I believe. Do you believe?
Yeah.
I believe.
Okay.
Do you believe?
Do you like it?
I love
It's
it.
your dinner.
Yes.
Yes!
Alright. I'm joking.
Oh.
Mmm.
Mm.
Cheers. So guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe.
Hit the notification bell.
And like this video.
Yay! And if you have any comments,
Okay.
any feedbacks or questions, please do comment below. And all the full recipes link will be on the description. Description. So I'll see you guys again soon. Stay tuned. Paalam.
Bye.
Bye. Liza. Good tip. Make sure you check the expiration date of your yeast, because I have learned the hard way that if it's expired, it will not rise. You hear me? It will not rise. So, subscribe.
Hit the notification bell.
Keep baking. No.
Rolling pin?
What's an action for baking? Oh,
Okay.
rolling. Keep baking. I just look like I'm on a horse. Like sweet bread with Filipino fillings. No, I said that earlier. It's wrong. I'm Filipino fillings. It's a fillings.
Okay.